Hi, hello. Welcome to the third part of area and perimeter of quadrilateral. So in the first two classes we learn area and perimeter of triangle. In today's class, we are going to learn area and perimeter of quadrilateral by quadrilateral and special types of quadrilateral. In the third part, we learn formulas of area of perimeter of special types of quadrilateral, that is trapezium and rectangle, square, kite and parallelogram and everything. In today's class we are going to all the special types of quadrilaterals and we are solving problems based on that formulas. In that one, first question they are given, find the area of, that is area and perimeter of quadrilateral special types also. So in that one, exercise 20b, first problem, find the area of quadrilateral. Find the area of quadrilateral. One of diagonal is 30 centimeter long and perpendiculars of other two vertices are 19 centimeter and 11 centimeters respectively. So if you take a quadrilateral means, so ABCD is a quadrilateral I am taking, that is diagonal length they are given. How much they are given? 30 centimeter and they are given two perpendicular lengths. Two perpendicular lengths they are given, that is, so this is E and F you can consider. One perpendicular length is 19 centimeter they are given, one more is 11 centimeter. You know that the formula to how to find the area of quadrilateral if they are given one diagonal and perpendiculars. That is area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to, so half into diagonal into sum of perpendiculars. So of diagonal length is how much here? Diagonal is what? AC is the diagonal. Product of sum VE and DF. VE and DF. So of into AC diagonal is 30. Sum is 19 plus 11. 2 ones are 2, 15s are 15 into 9 plus 1 is 30. That is equal to 15 3s are 45. 0 will have centimeter square. So this is the area of quadrilateral when they are given diagonal and sum of the lengths. In that one, second problem, Second problem, the diagonals of quadrilateral are 16 centimeter and 13 centimeter. If they intersect at right angles, find the area. If they are given two diagonal lengths, means area of quadrilateral is equal to half into product of two diagonals. Formula. You know that the formula. In the part 3 I explained. Half into 16 into 13. 2 1s are 2 8s are. So 13 8s are how much? 104 centimeter square. So if they are given one diagonals and perpendicular, means how to find area of quadrilateral? Half into product of diagonal into sum of their perpendiculars of other two vertices, what I am showing in the first problem. So when they are given two diagonals, means area of quadrilateral is equal to half into product of two diagonals. This is the second problem. In this way we have to find the area of quadrilateral by using two different formulas. If they are asking to find perimeter, means just we had all the four sides of the quadrilateral. Next problem, third one. So next one is calculate area of quadrilateral. Calculate area of quadrilateral. Calculate area of quadrilateral ABCD in which angle ABD is equal to 90 degree. Angle ABD is equal to 90 degree. Triangle BCD is equilateral triangle of side 24 centimeter and AD is equal to 26 centimeter. So first we draw quadrilateral ABCD. This is a quadrilateral ABCD. Here they are given ABD. This angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. In that one, AD length they are given 26 centimeter. And BCD is equilateral triangle, means what? All the three sides are equal. That is, they are given one side value 24 centimeter, means this is also 24 centimeter. This is also 24 centimeter. So here they are not given any diagonal length and perpendicular lengths or two diagonal lengths in this quadrilateral. So one is they are given right angle here, one is they are given equilateral. First you find the right angle triangle area and then next you find the equilateral triangle area. If you add the two areas, you will get the area of quadrilateral ABCD. So in that one, in triangle ABD, apply Pythagoras theorem. That is, AD square is equal to, this is 90 degree opposite angle, AB square plus BD square. So AD square they are given 26 square. AB we want to find out, just put as it is. BD value is 24 whole square. AB square is equal to 26 square means how much? 676 plus 24 square means 576, that is 100. AB value is how much? 10 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter. So find area of triangle ABD is equal to half into product of 90 degree angle sides. Which are the product? AB and BD are connecting with 90 degree. That is AB and BD. Half into AB is equal to 10. BD is equal to 24. 2 ones are, 2 5s are, 2 ones are, 2 5s are. If you get the product, 5 4s are 22, 5 2s are 10, 22 centimeters square. So first we find out the area of triangle ABD. Next up, in triangle BCD, equilateral triangle, area of triangle BCD is equal to root 3 by 4 into side square, that is root 3 by 4 into 24, that is area of side of triangle into 24. For 1s are, for 6s are. So root 3 value we know 1.732, 6 into 24. So you will get the product, that is 249.408 centimeters square. Multiply 249.408 centimeter, that is area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to, just you add equation number here, 2 equations, not an equation, just you add 1 and 2, you will get 120 plus 249.408 means that is equal to 269.408 centimeter square. So like this we are going to solve the problem. Next problem is fourth one. So fourth problem, the perimeter of a rectangle is perimeter of a rectangle. The perimeter of a rectangle, the rectangular field is 3 by 5 kilometer. If the length of the field is, if the length of the field is twice its width, find area of rectangle. So if you take a rectangle, EQRS is a rectangle, this is length. Length is twice of its width. This is x means this is 2x. 2x. So that is perimeter First you can let width is x means length is 2x. You can consider perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. That is perimeter is equal to 3 by 5. 2 into L means 2x plus x. 3 into 5. 2 into 3x. 3 into 5. 6x. 6x. So rectangle, they are asking rectangle in meter square. So that means if you want to multiply it with 1000, they are given in kilometer. If you multiply it with 1000, it will convert into meter. So here 200. So that is 6x is equal to 600. X is equal to 100 meter. So that is width is equal to how much? B 100. L is equal to 2 into x. 2 into 100 means 200. They are given in kilometer, but we want area in meters. That's why I multiplied here 1000. So area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length is 200. 100 means 20,000 meter square. I forgot here to meter square. So that's why kilometer I convert into meter. That's why I'll get B value. After finding B value and then find L value and put in the formula area of rectangle length into breadth, and you can easily find out the area of rectangle. Next problem, that is fifth one. For the given the length and breadth of rectangle, or the length and breadth of rectangle, or length and breadth of rectangle, or 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter respectively. Find the height of a triangle. Find the height of a triangle whose base is 6 centimeter. Whose base is 6 centimeter. And the area is 3 times of area is 3 times of the rectangle. Here rectangle are given A, B, C, D. Rectangle. Length they are given 6 centimeter. Breadth is 4 centimeter. Then, so height of a triangle, base is 6 centimeter. Same base. 6 centimeter. You can give any name. E. What we have to find out? Height of the triangle. F. We have to find F. So first you have to find area of rectangle. Area of rectangle ABCD is equal to length into breadth. Length is 6, 4 is it? 24 centimeter square. That is area of triangle is equal to 3 times of area of a rectangle. That is 3 into 24. 3 4s are 12, 1, 3 2s are 6, 72 centimeter square. 72 centimeter square. Now we want to find the height of the triangle. In triangle EBC, area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. That is half. What is base here? BC. What is height here? EF. So area of triangle we find out here 72 half into BC value we know 6 into EF. So 2 1s are 2 3s are, that is EF is equal to 72 divided by 3. 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 3 4s are. So that is 24 centimeter. Height is 24 centimeter. So like this you can easily find out. First we find the area of rectangle, then area of triangle is equal to 3 times of area of rectangle. Then you can automatically find the area of triangle. After finding area of triangle, consider the triangle and apply the formula and find the height of the triangle of the same base of the given in the rectangle. So like this we solve problems on quadrilateral and rectangle. So like this many problems are there. So next class I will show the different types of special quadrilateral formulas based how to solve, and today's class also will learn some types of quadrilateral based on the same formulas. So next class I will show how to solve on different special types of quadrilateral and with formulas how to solve and all. So thank you for watching. Many problems are there in textbook exercise 20B. Please sit on solving home. Thank you for watching.